Phonics friends, and thank you for joining me today. Are you ready to learn a new sound? Let's get started. Today, we're going to be learning the ow sound. The ow sound is a digraph or special friends because the letters O and U together make the ow sound. When I do this, it's my turn, and when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. Ow, ow, ow. Well done. Now I wonder what we'll find in my magic box today that uses the ow sound. Let's have a look. Oh, I found a house. Can you hear the ow sound in the middle of house? House, house. Well done. Let's see what else we can find that uses the ow sound. I found, can you see, a little mouse. Can you hear the ow sound in mouse? Mouse, mouse. Well done. Let's see what else we can find that uses the ow sound. That's strange. A tambourine? Tambourine doesn't have an ow sound. I know. It's loud. Can you hear the ow sound in loud? Loud, loud. Well done. So, loud, mouse and house all use the ow sound. Now we're going to have a little go at writing the ow sound. To write the ow sound, we need to write the letter O and the letter U. For our O, we start at the top and we go all the way around. And for our U, we start at the top, we go down, round, up and back down. Now I want you joining in at home, so give your magic fingers a big stretch and a wobble, give your shoulders a big roll so you're ready for writing, and you can use your other hand as a magic piece of paper to write the sound on. Magic fingers and start at the top, all the way around, start at the top, down, round, up and back down. Excellent. Let's do it one more time. Magic fingers. Start at the top, all the way around, start at the top, down, round, up and back down. Well done. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that use the ow sound. Our first word today is out. My turn first. Out, out. Your turn. Out. My turn again. Out, out. Your turn. Out. Well done. Our next word today is loud. My turn first. Ow, d. Loud. Your turn. Loud. My turn again. Ow, d. Loud. Your turn. Loud. Well done. And our last word for today is shout. Now we've got two digraphs or special friends in shouts. We've got sh and ow. My turn first. Sh, ow, t, shout. Your turn. Shout. My turn again. Sh, ow, t, shout. Your turn. Shout. Well done. I wonder if you can think of your own words that use the ow sound. Well done, you've worked really hard and should feel really proud of yourself. I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye!